If you need a quick way to track tasks or mark items as done, checkboxes in Google Sheets are perfect for that. Let's see how to add them to a spreadsheet. First, select the cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. Here, we're highlighting the range I1 to I16, right next to the total revenue column. With the range selected, open the Insert menu at the top. From the drop-down, choose the tick box option. Instantly, checkboxes fill every selected cell, giving you a clean, interactive column. If you like this quick tip, hit the like button to support more tutorials like this. Now, to remove them, simply reselect the range and press Delete. That clears all the checkboxes, returning the column to its original state. So adding checkboxes is a straightforward way to make your sheets more interactive and organized. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Google Sheets tips.